Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. First, gather essentials because speed and accuracy matter. Use the device and location you normally sign in from. Google flags unusual access, so this helps. Once done, open an incognito or private tab, go to the Google account recovery page, and enter your email. Make sure to use the last password you remember. If you don't remember one, approximate with any older passwords and state the account creation year when prompted. Next, follow each verification prompt carefully. Google adapts options based on your history. Try the most recent password first. If that fails, select the recovery phone or email to receive a code. Type it exactly. If asked about account creation or link services, give precise or closest estimates because Google uses patterns, not exact matches. Once you receive a prompt to confirm devices, approve from a signed-in device. Finally, create a strong, unique password and enable two-step verification so the account stays protected. Use an authenticator app if possible. Update recovery email and phone and generate backup codes. Save them in a secure place. If recovery fails, use Google's account recovery form and provide any requested evidence. Sometimes you'll need to wait 24 to 48 hours and try again from the same device and location. If issues persist, the key tip is to repeat attempts with more precise details or approved devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.